Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now take your science workbook. All of you take science workbook. Open the book children. Take your pencil, sharp the pencil. Take your science workbook all of you. Have you take? Have you opened the book? Page number 7. All of you take page number 7. Lesson number 2. Plants around us. Already we finished this lesson. In this workbook we have many handwork. Yes or no children? Yes. Shall we recall once again? Yes. Keep your finger, listen nicely. Plants are all around us. Children, we know that already we learned this. Plants are all around us. நம்ம சுற்றிலே என்னது இருக்குது? நிறைய plants இருக்குது. இந்த உலகமே plants ஆல அலங்கரிக்கப்பட்டு இருக்குது. Yes or no children? Yes. We see plants of different shapes and size. Children, we know that plants are different shapes and size. Yes or no? Yes, some trees are very tall, some trees are very short, some trees are very big, some are very small and short, tiny also. Yes or no children? Yes, there are big plants and small plants. நிறைய நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி இருக்குது? Big plants இருக்கு and also small plants. Understand? Now keep your finger, listen nicely. Big plants. Keep your finger all of you. Big plants are called trees. We know that. Yes or no? What are called trees? Big plants are called trees. Say, open your mouth. What are called trees? Big plants are called tree. They are tall and have a thick woody stem called trunk. அதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? They are tall, ரொம்ப டாலாகவும், have a thick woody stem. They have woody stem. They are called trunk. What is that? Trunk. Very good children. Now beside you have small plant. Keep your finger. Small plants. What are small plants? That have very soft stem, very short. Yes or no? Looking very small. Yes or no? Yes. The first one, herbs. Small plants with weak and green stem are called herbs. Which plant have very weak and greeny stem? ரொம்ப பச்சை நிறத்துலையும் weak ரொம்ப உடைச்ச உடனே உடையிற மாதிரி இருக்கிற weak ஸ்டெம்பும் இருக்கிற plants என்னது? herbs. ஓகே, herbsல தான் நம்மளுக்கு மூலிகைகள்லாம் கிடைக்குது. ஓகே, medical plant also many are in medical plants are in more in herbs. Okay, and down you see shrubs. What are that? Shrubs. Small plant with strong and woody stem are called shrubs. Which plant have but small but they have strong and woody stem. அதுக்கு நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கான நல்ல கட்டை நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்காக woody-ஆன stem இருக்கும். They are called shrubs. Understand children? For herb example, coriander plant, and shrubs example, hibiscus plant. We have big plant, mango tree. Look at the picture you have. Okay, look at the book all of you. Do you have? What is the big tree? Mango tree in this book, in this page. And what is the herb plant? Coriander plant. And shrubs, hibiscus plant. Okay children, down you see some plants cannot stand straight. They are climbers and creepers. Children, keep your finger, listen nicely. Some plants cannot stand. Yes or no? Stand straightly. அதால சில பிளான்ட்டால என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? நேராக ஸ்டடியாக நிற்க முடியாது. They are climber and creeper. அதில் என்ன வகைகள்லாம் இருக்குது? கிளைம்பர் பிளான்ட்டும் இருக்குது, க்ரீப்பரும் இருக்குது. கிளைம்பர் தே ஏதாவது ஒரு grip இருந்துச்சுன்னா கிளைம்பர் மேலே ஏறி போயிடும். ஆனால் க்ரீப்பர் என்ன செய்யும்? கிரவுண்ட்லேயே என்ன பண்ணிக்கிடும்? வளர்ந்துக்கிடும். ஓகே, லுக் டவுன். Climbers. Some plants cannot grow straight on their own. சில பிளான்ட்டால் என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? cannot grow ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக வளர முடியாது. on their own சொந்தமாக அதால் வளர முடியாது. ஓகே, ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக நிற்க முடியாது. they need the support of walls. Otherwise any other plants like that. Okay, other plants are streaks to grow straight. Such plants are called climbers. Which plant need support like walls? Otherwise other plant any streak, they are called climbers. Understand children? Now creepers. What is that? Creepers. Some plants grow along the ground. சில செடிகள் என்ன செய்யுது? கிரவுண்ட்லேயே வளருது. They are called creeper. Okay, why they are grow along the ground? Because they have big juicy fruit. Yes or no children? அதுக்கு என்னது இருக்கும்? பெரிய பழங்கள் இருக்குது. அதனால தான் they don't like to climb. அது என்ன விரும்பாது. ஓகே, கிளைம் பண்ணி மேலே போகிறதுக்கு விரும்புறது கிடையாது. ஏன்னா அதுக்கு நிறைய ஜூஸி ஃப்ரூட், பெரிய ஜூஸி ஃப்ரூட், நல்ல ஜூஸ் உள்ள பெரிய ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அதுக்கு இருக்கிறனால அது என்ன செய்யாது? they don't like to climb. they grow along the ground. only ground மேலேயே படர்ந்து என்ன செஞ்சுக்கிடும்? வளர்ந்துக்கிடும். Understand children? And beside you have a box. A plant has many parts. Yes, many parts. Yes or no children? What are they? Do you know that? Tell me. Say leaves, flowers, stem. Open the mouth children. I am here. Say bud, fruits, branch, root, flowers. Okay children, very good. Now look at the book. A plant has many parts: roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, down you see there is a picture. The first one, bud. What is the meaning of bud? Do you know that? What is that? Yes, very good. Bud means muttu. Okay, next one, flower. Then leaf, fruit. Last one, roots. Beside you see branch. Branch means what? What is the meaning of branch? Kilaigal. Say kilaigal. Then stem. Stem means thandu. Understand children? Yes, plant around us we land. Yes or no? Now turn next page children. This is your homework page. Okay children, you want to write your own. Okay, don't disturb your parent. Okay, you want to write, you know very well. Yes or no? Because you are very brilliant student. Okay, you want to read and write the answer. Very easy. Okay, you can. Unnala mudiyum. Okay, don't disturb anyone. Okay, shall we do it? Yes. First one, keep your finger, listen nicely. Page number 8. All of you, page number 8. Take page number 8. Yes. Okay, knowledge based questions. A, tick the correct answer. You want to tick the correct answer. Okay, first one, dash plant is not a herb plant. Children, they give us some option. In this option there is a plant that is not a herb plant. Okay, you want to tick the correct answer and take and write on the line. Okay, A, spinach. B, rose. C, mint. In this option, which is not a herb? Think nicely children. Dash plant is not a herb plant. இதில் கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறதுல இந்த ஒரே ஒரு செடி மட்டும் ஹெர்பு பிளான்ட் கிடையாது. பட் அதர் டூ ஆர் ஹெர்பு பிளான்ட். வாட் இஸ் தட்? Think nicely, okay children, and tick the correct answer. Second one, plants like dash and dash have thorns. Plants like dash and dash have thorns. ஒரு இரண்டு வகையான செடிகளுக்கு முட்கள் இருக்கு. What are they? Option are A, sunflower and money plant. Think nicely. Sunflower and money plant have any thorns? Think nicely. B, rose and cactus. Children, rose and cactus have thorns? Think nicely. Tick the correct answer. C, jasmine and coriander. Plants like dash and dash have thorns. இரண்டு செடிகளுக்கு முட்கள் இருக்கு. அது எந்த செடின்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே. Next, third one, dash grow along the ground. Dash grow along the ground. எந்த செடி கிரவுண்ட்லேயே வளரும், கிளைம் பண்ணி போகாது. Which plant? Option are A, climbers, B, creepers, C, herbs. Children, are you look at the book? See nicely, okay? Don't see anywhere, children. Okay, very good. Keep your finger, listen nicely. Third one, dash grow along the ground. எந்த செடி கிரவுண்ட்லேயே வளரும், கிளைம் பண்ணாது, பட் they can't stand also. Okay? Option are climbers, creepers and herb. Think nicely, tick the correct answer. Fourth one, dash and dash grow in water. Very easy question. Yes or no, children? We know that. Very good. Those who know? Very good. Shall we see that option? A, lotus and water lily plant. Think nicely, children. And B, water lily plant and coconut tree. Think nicely. C, banana and pine tree. What is the correct answer? If you want, now you can write. Okay, tick the correct answer and take and write. Okay? Dash and dash grow in water. Option are lotus and water lily plant, and B, water lily plant and coconut tree. C, banana and pine tree. Think nicely, write the correct answer. This is your homework. And B, fill in the blanks. First one, keep your finger, listen nicely, children. Don't see anywhere, okay? Nalla gavaninga. The first one, dash have many number of stem. Herbs or shrubs? Children, herbs are shrubs which have many number of stem. நிறைய stem இருக்கும். அது எந்த plant? Herbs or shrubs? Think nicely and write correct answer. Okay, write on the line. Second one, dash live for many years. Children, dash live for many years. Which can live many years? Big plants or small plant? Think nicely. You know that big plants or small plant live for many years. எதால ரொம்ப காலம் வாழ முடியும்? சின்ன செடியாலையா பெரிய மரத்தாலையா? Think nicely and take and write on the line. Okay. Next, third one. Dash need support to grow straight. Dash need support to grow straight. Climbers or creepers, children? Which need support to grow? எந்த செடி support கேட்கும்? Climber or creepers? Think nicely and take and write on the line. And fourth one, dash is the underground part of the plant. Very easy, you know that. Yes or no? Dash is the underground part of the plant. What is that? Root or stem? What is that? Very good. Write the correct answer. Dash is the underground part of the plant. Think nicely. Write the correct answer. Next is C. Unscramble the given words. Okay. Scramble words. The first they gave scramble words. எல்லாம் குழம்பி இருக்கக்கூடிய letters தந்திருக்காங்க. Okay. We want to arrange them and write the correct answer. Unscramble word. Okay. The first one. MMUEOKSLN. Think nicely and arrange the letter. Then you have a fruit name. Okay. I have given the clue. That is a fruit name. Okay. 2. ASIMENJ. Think nicely. Children, you want to arrange the letter. These all letters are jumbled. குழம்பி இருக்குது எல்லாம் மாறி இருக்கு. You want to arrange the letter and write correctly. Then you have a word you want to write on there. Okay. And third one, NOCOCUT. Think nicely, children. Okay, very easy. Fourth one, EIENVPGRA. Think nicely and arrange the letter and write on unscrambled word side. Okay. Understand? Can you do it? Easy or not? Easy, yes? Very good. You can. Okay. Think nicely. If you have any doubt, you want to turn your book edu, read pannu. Okay. Then you can understand. Okay, children? Very good. You are brilliant student. You want to write your own. Okay. Very good, children. Now next page. Page number 9. Look at the page number 9, children. Next page. Fifth one. DRUGO. Unscramble letter you want to write. They are scrambled words. எல்லாமே குழம்பி இருக்கு. You want to arrange the letters. Okay. Then you have your word you want to write on beside. You have dash like that. Okay. Each of the dash you want to write each letters. 6. GMNAO. Very easy one. Okay. Think nicely and write. And understanding based question. In the page number 9 you have understanding based question. Keep your finger, listen nicely. Very easy one. Shall we do it? Yeah. Circle the odd one. We want to circle the odd one. சம்பந்தமே இல்லாத ஒரு இதை என்ன செய்யணும், கண்டுபிடிச்சி சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிடணும். ஓகே. Shall we do it? Those who are enjoyed. Very good, children. Take the pencil now. The first one, spinach, coriander, watermelon. Here one is very different. That is odd one. You want to circle. First one, spinach. Next, coriander. Then watermelon. What is the odd one? Think nicely. Only one very different from others. Which is the odd one, children? Circle that. Spinach, coriander, watermelon. You want to circle the correct odd one. Second one, hibiscus, rose, banyan. Very easy. Yes or no? Hibiscus, rose, banyan. Which is the odd one, children? Those who found it? Very good children. You want to circle the odd one. Hibiscus, rosa. What is that? And banyan. Very good. Think nicely and circle. Okay. Third one. Grapevine, mint, sunflower. Which is the odd one? Grapevine, mint, sunflower. Think nicely and circle it. What is the correct answer, children? Those who find it? Very good, children. And fourth one, pumpkin, coconut, mango. This is also very easy. Pumpkin, coconut, mango. Which is the odd one? Those who find it? Very good. Circle the correct answer. Circle the odd one, children. Pumpkin, coconut, mango. Okay, shall we go next? B. Name them. Name them. We want to write the name. Okay, the first one. Big and strong plant. What is that? We know that. Yes or no? Big and strong plants are called? Yes, very good. Write the answer on the line. Okay, big and strong plants are called? What is that? Very good. Write the answer. Okay, write the name. Second one, part of the plant that grows below the ground. Children, in the part of the plant that part grow below the ground. Ground க்கு கீழ வளரக்கூடிய part of the plant. என்னது? Think nicely. Plantல எந்த part தரைக்கு கீழ இருக்கும், மண்ணுக்கு கீழ? Yes, very good. Write that. Write on the line, part of the plant that grow below the ground. Groundக்கு கீழ வளரக்கூடிய part. மண்ணுக்குள்ள இருக்கும் பிளான்ட்டோடது, மண்ணுக்குள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த part. If you have any doubt, you see the picture. Go and see before page you have. Think nicely and write. Okay. Third one, small plants with strong woody stem. What is that? Small plant. Okay. With strong and woody stem. நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கான woody stem இருக்கக்கூடிய small plantக்கு என்ன சொல்வோம்? Herbs-ஆ, shrubs-ஆ, creepers-ஆ, climbers-ஆ? Think nicely, children, and write the answer. Okay. Fourth one, plants that grow along the ground. ஒரு plant that grow along the ground. Ground மேலேயே வளரும். What is that plant? We know that. Think nicely. That no need to climb up because they have very juicy fruit. Very big fruit. I said no. What is that? Yes, you want to write the answer. Write the name. Okay. Understand? Okay, children. Now see. State true or false. Correct the false statement. Children, this true or false, tomorrow we will see. Okay, this much enough. Okay, these are your homework. Now you can write. Now itself you can write. Okay, children, no need to write. See, true or false. Okay, name them enough. Okay, page number 9, B, A, B. That's so finished. Okay, no need C. Tomorrow I will give. Okay, state true or false. Correct the false statement. Tomorrow we can write. No need to write now. Okay, name them enough. Okay, page number 8 and 9. Circle out one. Name them. These are enough. These are your homework. Okay, children. Understand? Okay. All of you take your classwork note now. Now we are going to read classwork, meanings. Okay. Take your classwork note, all of you. Have you studied that? Yes or no? I said no. You want to study? Finished? Take soon, all of you. Now I am going to check yours. Take your note, all of you, soon. Take your classwork note. Lesson number 2. Have you take? Open that. Yes. Take that page of lesson 2. Plants around us. Keep your finger and say louder. Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Chedi. Che-D. Chedi. Second one, leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Ilai. Leaf. Ilai. Third one, keep your finger on. Say louder, children. Big. B-I-G. Big. Periya. Big. Periya. Fourth one, small. Siriya. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Siriya. Fifth one, garden. Totam. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Totam. Garden. Totam. Sixth one, strong. உறுதியான. Strong. உறுதியான. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. உறுதியான. Seventh one, shade. S-H-A-D-E. Shade. நிழல். Shade. நிழல். Eighth one, keep your finger, say louder, children. Shrub. புதர். S-H-R-U-B. Shrub. புதர். Ninth one, herb. மூலிகை. Herb. மூலிகை. H-E-R-B. Herb. மூலிகை. Tenth one, amongst. மத்தியில். A-M-O-N-G-S-T. Amongst. மத்தியில். Okay, now 11th one, keep your finger and say louder. Root. Where. Root. Where. R-O-O-T. Root. Where. 12th one, stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. தண்டு. Stem. தண்டு. 13th, branches. கிளைகள். Branches. கிளைகள். B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. கிளைகள். 14th, buds. மொட்டுகள். Buds. மொட்டுகள். B-U-D-S. Buds. மொட்டுகள். 15th, flowers. பூக்கள். Flowers. பூக்கள். F-L-O-W-E-R-S. flowers, பூக்கள், flowers, பூக்கள். Are you keep your finger, children? Don't turn anywhere, okay? Keep your finger, listen nicely. 17th, தான், முள், தான், முள், THORN, தான், முள். 18th, sunny, 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 சூரிய வெப்பம், sunny, சூரிய வெப்பம். 19th, windy, 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 காற்று, காற்று, windy, காற்று. 20th, cold, 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 குளிர், cold, குளிர். Children, these all 1 to 20 meanings you want to study well, okay? Okay, children, then only you can read the book and you can understand. Okay, so only I gave more meanings, okay? You want to study. Understand? Okay, your homework all in the workbook. You want to done it, and when you are free, you want to study these all 1 to 20, okay? Very good, children. Bye.